Good morning, students. So, yesterday we had done a lesson, the inauspicious justice. So, today we are going to continue the lesson. And before continuing, we'll just do a revision of what we have done till now. So, yesterday we had read the story where Emperor Akbar was there, and in the morning he sees the hawker's face, and the whole day goes very bad. He has lot of bad luck, and then uh, he thinks that all this bad luck is because of the hawker, and so he's the emperor. So he says that I punish this hawker. His face is very unlucky, and I punish him, and he's punished to death. So he will be sent to the gallows and he will be hanged. So this man, this hawker, is very sad, and he is so afraid, shocked. So he begs Akbar that please let me at least meet Birbal, who was a very wise person. Let me meet Birbal one time. So now we are going to continue from this place. Okay, so now open 14th and 15th page are over. Turn to page number 16th. So this is 16th page. Birbal came to meet him. So now Birbal has been called by the hawker. So Birbal comes to meet him. Soon the day of his hanging arrived, and the executioner asked him his last wish. Now children, executioner is a person who kills the person who has to be who is charged with something. Like here, this hawker had to be hanged. So who will hang him? There is one person who does this work. He is called the executioner. You can see in the photo, there is one man, dark colored dress he is wearing, and he is having a sword in his hand. He is the executioner. So that day of the when he has to be hanged, that day has come, and the executioner asks him, what is your last wish? You see children, whenever a person is killed, punishment is given of killing, then that person's last wish is asked. That what is the last wish, and everything he asks is given to him. Not that he will say that I should be released. That is not given. But if he says I want some food, I want my favorite food, I want to meet my mother, father, uncle, aunt, anyone, then he is allowed. But here the hawker said that he wished to make a proclamation. Proclamation means announcement. Okay, like you must have seen that like the prime minister, when he has to announce something, proclamation, then he comes on TV. But those days the TV was not there. So any proclamation, it has to be inside the city where the drums are there, and they beat the drums with the hand, and then they proclaim that listen, this is what the emperor is saying. So the hawker says, I want to proclaim. And what I want to proclaim is to the people of the city. He wished to warn them that not to see the emperor's face early in the morning, or else they would be sentenced to the gallows just like him. So he says, I want to tell everyone that no one should see your face in the morning, because if they see your face in the morning, then they will be sent to the gallows, they will be hanged. The executioner was surprised at this unique request and informed Emperor Akbar about the hawker's proclamation. So now executioner is very surprised that he is not asking for any food, he is not asking for any clothes, he is asking that I want to announce something. So he goes and tells Emperor Akbar that he is asking for this. Emperor immediately sent for the hawker. Sent for the hawker means calls the hawker. The courtiers were surprised to see him free the hawker and to give him a bag of gold. See, in the picture you can see that the emperor is giving a bag of gold to the man, to the hawker. So everyone is surprised that he wanted to kill him. Now he is giving bag of gold. Akbar realized that this proclamation could only have been thought out by Birbal. He immediately thanked him for preventing an innocent person's hanging. So Akbar realizes his mistake, that I was doing very bad thing, that I am killing someone, and that just because my day is bad, I think he is unlucky. But the hawker says that even my day was bad, now I have been killed. Now I will be hanged because that day I saw the emperor in the morning. So the emperor is unlucky for him. So Akbar realizes that if his face is unlucky, so if Hawker's face is unlucky, then even his face can be considered unlucky. So Akbar realizes his mistake, that his face was not unlucky and he should not do like this, that he should not sentence him to death. So he thanked him for preventing an innocent person's hanging and also opened his eyes. Opened his eyes means like this, eyes open means to understand something, that that to the injustice of his order. He realizes that what he has done is very, very wrong. Okay. So children, now this lesson is over. So later on we will be doing the comprehension exercises. But today you read this lesson again, and first the difficult words. The first word is hawker. You know, hawker is a seller. Second is unfortunate, that is sadly, very sad. Courtiers, courtiers means the advisors or the ministers. Then next word is dejected. Dejected means sad. Then the word is progressed. The day progressed. The day passed by. Then quarreled. Quarrel means fighting. Then the next word is tantrum, means anger. He showed his anger to the servants. Next is convinced. Convinced means very sure that this is correct. Convinced. Inauspicious means unlucky or unfortunate. Gallows, I told you gallows is a place where the rope is there and the loop is there and the person is hanged. That is a gallows. It is a structure where people are killed by hanging. Next word is executioner. See the person in dark clothes? He is executioner, okay? The person who kills, hangman, who hangs people. Next word is proclamation, announcement, publicly announce something. Next word, unique. Unique means something very new, something very different, one of a kind. What was unique? The executioner's request was unique. Then the second last word is innocent, means he was he did not do anything wrong, he was not guilty. Last word is injustice, that is unfair, something which is wrong. Okay, so children, these are the difficult words. So you are going to read the lesson one time, two time. You will underline the difficult words with a pencil, and then tomorrow later on I will be giving you some words and the word meanings to write in your classwork copy. Thank you children. Have a nice day.